What's up, everyone? It's Slim Dave here. I'm here to show you how to run LuckyPatcher. Alright, whatever app you want to try to hack, it's already got to be downloaded along with LuckyPatcher, as you see right here. Pay attention. If you have any questions, comment in the comment box and I'll let you know. First, you go into LuckyPatcher. Find what you want to do. Let's go there. We'll go to menu of patches, create this. We'll go to the fourth one down, APK rebuilt for in-app and LVL emulation. Okay, we'll rebuild the app. Now guys, don't lose patience with me. It takes a couple minutes. If you wanna, I'm not sure if I can pause this, but if you wanna fast forward through it, you can. If you wanna wait, make sure you get every little detail, then you can wait. And this is just for demonstration purposes only. It's not to do. It's not to harm anything. And when you download LuckyPatcher, it's going to tell you it's unsafe to download, that it will harm your computer or anything like that. I've had it on my phone for a while. It works really good. I ain't had no problems out of it. But like I said, if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment box. If you're new to the channel, thank you. Welcome. If you have any questions, let me know. Try my best to answer everything. And for the ones that's been subscribed since day one, thank you for supporting me. I do this to give you guys different videos. I don't like putting the same thing on all the time. That's why it takes me sometimes a little longer to upload, because I want to give y'all some good content. Actually, something really to look at. If I don't like the video, I'll delete it. But like I said, this takes a little second. I ain't used it in a while, so hang in with me. Hang in there. I'll get you through it. What it's doing is just rebuilding the app. That's what's taking a second. And as long as you got, when this comes up, and as long as you got 2 successes, you don't even have to, the other 2 could fail all they want. As long as you got 2, then you're good. You go to File, you want to uninstall and install. And then you push Yes. Then you push OK. And what it's doing now is uninstalling. And now you want to install their version of the game or whatever app you're trying to do or whatever. And what it does is brings your prices for, say something was $9.99, an add-on like a gun or something was on your game and it was $10. Well, this app will make it look like it's 10 cents or 3 cents or practically free, and then it will let you buy it even without money. I'll show you, just hang in there for a second. It's installing. This is the longest part, is when they rebuild it. Not the installing part, but the long process when it's rebuilding. But as long as you follow these steps, you shouldn't have no problem. Like I said, I ain't done it in a long time, and alright. And now what you want to do is open it. Alright. I don't know if that messed the video up because it turned sideways or not, but I can't help that part. Alright guys, sorry about that. I want to go up here. I had to mute it for a second. I'm going to go up here to purchase something. Alright, already got that. You see the price down here where it says equipped? 29 cents. 20 for 40 cents. See, let's go right here. Let's buy this. So we'll go equipped. Alright. And it says, do you want to try to get this item for free? So, you click. Say purchase store. Boom, boom. You just hit all three of them. And you push yes. And boom, boom. Voila. I bought it. Alright. Or, let's see about this. Ads. Let's try to get this for free too. We don't want ads, do we? Go like that. Boom. Now it's ad free. See if I want to buy this. Equip. I'm going to go boom, boom, boom. Boom. Bought it. Equipped. So I could buy practically anything on this. Let's go to something that's high. Let's try this. That's pretty cool. Equip. Yes. There we go. Now we want to go back. You know. Go back. We want to play. And that's all I wanted to show you guys. That's how you hack with LuckyPatcher. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Peace.